I'll tell YouTube that you've never been to Buc-ee's.
Are you tall enough?
Hello guys, it's been a minute. I moved into an apartment. Me and Vito have been doing great. Now he's moving to Fort Bragg because he's getting restationed, of course. That's my life, it's his life. We are taking a trip to Fort Bragg. I'm gonna help move him out there and on to another new adventure. First we have to go to Vito's storage unit and pick up, I think this is called a Supra, but I call it the Superman car. So we had to get that and then we're on the road. Okay, me and Vito are officially on the road. We're going to North Carolina.
Mr. Bucky. Jump outside there.
I just found out Vito has never been to a Buc-ee's.
Yep.
So we're gonna go to a Buc-ee's.
Pretty cool inflatable guy outside of Bucky's.
It's like an amusement park for getting gas.
Mr. Bucky. I don't know that people know what Bucky's is. I'm looking at other foods.
We stopped at a halfway point for the night and then we got a quick workout in the morning, and then Vito gave me his best impression of my dad, who's from New York.
Oh, yeah, I hear you're dating my daughter. Huh? What kind of cred you got? What kind of cred you got, huh? You got a job?
Vito and I have arrived. We're gonna go see what it looks like inside this condo. Guess there was bums living in it?
Mm-hmm.
We could be walking into anything. We did get some really great breakfast. NYC Cafe and Deli right down the street.
Mm-hmm.
The pastrami bagel, pretty good.
Wish us luck.
Okay, going up to the third floor.
You ready?
Ready.
Excited about this? I hope I don't have a weak stomach.
Well, it's better already than I thought. So this condo is a project that Vito is taking on, and I really don't know the full story, but a lot of the neighbors were coming up to us telling us that this had been vacant for a long time. They were actually worried for us to go in here because there was a lot of homeless people who had kind of been in and out of here, and they had just kind of done a number to this place. There was a lot of water damage on the floors and unknown substances in the sink and the dishwasher and stuff that I actually never care to find out what it was. Well, we're at Home Depot getting cleaning supplies and masks because there's poop particles in the air.
Little rice looking things? Think a little rice looking thing? I mean, I'm not saying you're wrong. Maybe you should not right.
Vito, you owe me. Big time. One more plate.
All right, we're back on. Oh.
We went to Chili's. It was real nice. I had chicken crispers.
So excited. So excited.
It is day 50. Oh, there's indoor skydiving.
What?
It's kind of lame though. Why wouldn't you just do regular skydiving?
Maybe you're scared. Have you ever skydove?
No.
Why not?
Well, I've tried. YouTube knows.
Oh, yeah.
Touchy subject. We're going to Vito's storage unit. We're gonna drop off the Superman car, and then we're gonna go back to Casa de Scheisse.
Casa de Scheisse.
Which we decided its name yesterday. Oh yeah, I bonked Vito in the head last night. I fell asleep sitting up, and my head went down and knocked his head. We got drunk at Chili's. It was real fun. Well, it just started pouring raining. So did I do something wrong? Boo, I had my foot on the brake. Okay, well, we got the car off.
Real quick, factory hurry.
Well, we're back at the, what are we calling it? Casa de Scheisse. Earlier I asked Vito if he got a lock for the shed, and he asked me if that's what we're calling it now. But I was talking about the actual shed. Humid AF. Well, it's the first rain in the new place. It's so romantic. Vito's going to shut off the water, but it's pouring rain. Vito is having so much fun. Look at him. Wow. This is from a separate day at the condo, but just so you guys get an idea of what it kind of is looking like and the progress.
Turning. I'm cutting a pole. I'm cutting a line. I'm cutting
A power line?
Okay. I'm cutting a pipe.
Ooh, what's going on?
What do I do? Boo!
Boo.
What do I do? Boo!
Boo.
This is perfect. We're gonna take this light down. We're trying to not get contaminated. This is where we're at, right?
Straight up.
Scalpel.
Scalpel.
Straight up, there's a screw.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not going.
Bill.
Legs.
What?
Brace your core.
Yeah, I know. Are you tall enough?
Yeah. Oh, ooh, it's a flathead.
What?
It's a flathead.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You ready?
Okay, backwards, please. A little more backwards, please. Can you like face towards the washer? Yeah. Can you move a little backwards, please? Okay.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
No.
Oh!
Ah, sorry. I gotta wash my head.
Stop making me laugh!
It's not a gear shifter.
Okay, can you face that wall over there? No, go forward a bit, please. Okay, backwards. Small movements. Boo, small movements.
Where'd I go?
Okay, turn back the other way.
Oh. Oh, that was my head.
So it's just dangling on from over here. Oh, it's breaking.
So glad I moved. Oh my gosh!
What? Did you say blood?
Oh, I don't know what it is. And then it was time for us to head back to Tennessee. Well, you know, that's me. Just modeling over here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We stopped in Greensboro, North Carolina. We didn't make it very far. We made it like an hour and a half. But it's okay. we're gonna drive home tomorrow. Maybe. And Vito is about to take his first pickleback shot ever. Can you believe that?
All right, what am I doing here? Shoving this in my mouth?
Do this and then this. Sometimes they serve it with a pickle.
Heartburn.
Cheers to Casa de Chaisa.
Casa de Chaisa. What?
Did you like it?
Was I not supposed to take all of it?
I don't.
Oh,
But-
we didn't talk about that. There's a lot of sodium.
Yeah, we got blue Gatorade in the fridge.
No.
Yeah, I just refilled it.
We just checked in and the thermostat was set to 61.
Yeah.
It's really cold in here.
Should be nice.
I'm on a couch.
Wait, you didn't even use couch.
Yes, I am.
Well, we in down Georgia on Saturday night.
Okay, what are we doing?
You got your finger over the camera.
No, I don't.
We're evening out the struts, the airbags.
We're hot. Hot tard.
Oh, hi. Are you watching?
Yeah.
Why are you looking at me?
I'm looking at the trailer.
No. Still hot?
Actually, yeah, it's way better. We got back a few hours ago. We saw a cockatoo in someone's semi-truck today.
All they want crackers?
Oh!
Reminder.
That was-
And to cockatoo.
Yeah. Insert cockatoo.
Insert cockatoo.
We'll see you on the next one.
Cut!
If you don't chew Big Red,
Oh shit.
or if you don't subscribe it, then
Yeah. What'd you just say?
how does the water stay in the sink? Why, it's slanted.
They're slanted so you can see the sink. How much did you love me?
Obviously, a lot.
Obviously.
Banging up cockroach eggs, cockroach carcasses,
Oh.
cockroach shit.
Oh.
Anything to do with cockroaches. It's real fun.
You okay? 1, 2, 3. Good. High five. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's good. Friday.